Hi guys, in this video I'm going to recap some of the work that we did with the Python turtle earlier in the year because you might not remember everything from those earlier lessons. So because we're online at the moment, instead of using Python installed on your computer, I'm going to use Python on this website called pythonandturtle.com/turtle, and you can write Python code into here and run it on the web. Now, if you have Python installed on your own computer, then you can use it on your own computer, and that's even better. But this is for people who might be stuck on an iPad or something like that. So if we want to use the turtle, the first thing we have to do is over here, I write import turtle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a simple polygon. So I'm going to use 5 sides, and I'm going to have an angle of 72 degrees. So I can create variables to store those values like this, and now I'm going to write a for loop. Let's put for count in range sides. Now what that means is repeat 5 times, because sides is 5 and for means to repeat some statements. So everything that I write underneath this for is going to be repeated as long as I put a space at the beginning of the line. So the things that I want to repeat are moving the turtle forward by 100 pixels and rotating the turtle anti-clockwise, which we call left here. I don't really like that name, but anyway, that's the name they give it. And we're going to rotate the turtle by the angle, which is 72 degrees. So I put angle there, and that means 72 degrees. I could just type 72 in, but it's neater to give it a proper name. Now, if you have Python at home, you can run that program and it's going to work. But if you're using Python on the internet, on this web page, then there is one extra thing that you have to do. At the end of your program, you have to write turtle.done to say that you've finished drawing. And then when you click run, you should see that it will draw, in this case, a pentagon. Okay, so 5 sides and an angle of 72. Now the formula for working out the angle is just 360 divided by number of sides. So that's the division symbol in Python, and I could write it just like that and I get the same result. And this is even better because I can change the number of sides to, for example, 6, and then I'll get a hexagon. Now we're going to be doing some exercises with the Python turtle again, but I actually, in these exercises, we're not going to use polygons, we're going to use stars. So there is a formula for making these stars as well. Instead of 360 divided by number of sides, we do 720 divided by number of sides. So if I run that, then I get a nice star. And if you try increasing the number of sides, then we should see, now in this case, a 6-sided shape. I'm going to get an equilateral triangle. 7-sided, I should get something a bit more interesting. There we go, that's an interesting star. 8 sides, I think I might get a square there. Yeah. So it really depends upon the factors of the numbers that you choose. But if you choose a prime number, like 11, then you should get a really interesting kind of star shape. There we go. Okay, so guys, hopefully that will get you started. As long as you understand that, have a look at the worksheet and try to work through the questions on the sheet.